this idea of a careers page, this is this is central, and then Evergreen Home Performance here in Maine has given us permission to show theirs. First of all, so at the top they lead with this video, leading really with the story of the company, and you can see in the sort of opening screen here that these are pretty clearly all employees of the company, and so that's attractive, and we're getting a lot of what we're finding in the web results is a lot of people are clicking on this and starting and watching the video. The next big section is all about benefits, right, and getting that right up front, and then the third thing down at the bottom, kind of in the blackish bar or brownish bar, is something we strongly recommend, which is make sure that you have the ability for people to apply even in this situation where you may not have a specific position, or that there is a specific position that isn't perfectly aligned with that person, right? We're always interested in talented people. That is a really good thing to have out there at all times. The next section, pretty straightforward. It's the actual job opportunities, right? And the ability to then click through and learn more about each of those. And then the green bar is a employee testimonial. And then this last part, is I think, emphasizing team and emphasizing mission, which is their strategy. And again, this company that's in Maine and recruiting in Maine, where I think the climate change message is very attractive here to young people. One thing I would just emphasize to everybody, the photography in their example is really good. That I know it's small on the screen, but that shot of the full team in the warehouse, is just really well done and really well worth it. And folks are in uniform. It looks clean and nice, and it's really good.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.